Energy crisis is one of the major threats faced by world right now. Increase in energy demand and gradual depletion of nature resource is making the world realize to use renewable resource to fulfill energy needs. Pakistan is ranked 5th among the world's largest dairy producing countries. 1,000 of tons of waste being produced every year is one of the major causes of pollution. This waste, if used properly, can be used to produce gas and electricity. The procedure followed for this purpose is called methane fermentation, and gas produced as a result is called biogas. There are two types of biogas plants working in the world right now. 1. Fixed dome biogas plants. 2. Floating drum biogas plants. Concrete is used to make fixed dome biogas plant. The basic disadvantages: fixed dome includes gas leakage from the cracks formed due to temperature fluctuations, low pressure of the gas, and also the amount of gas produced is not visible. All these reasons make it preferable to use floating drum biogas plants in Pakistan. The gas produced in floating drum biogas plant is not only visible, but its pressure can be increased by putting weights on the floating drum. Let us discuss the installation of biogas plant in detail. 1. For a 6 cubic meter plant, dig a hole of 10 feet depth and 8 feet diameter. 2. Once digging is complete, layer its bottom surface with sand and gravel up to 3 inches. 3. Then from the center of hole, 4 markings of 3 feet radius are made for digester, and the radius is monitored using a radius tech. 4. Next layer the digester with a concrete bed in the ratio 1:2:4. 5. After that, bricks are placed along the walls of digester up to a height of 2 feet. 6. Next, an inlet pipe is placed in the digester. 7. Once the inlet reaches 2 feet in height, use concrete for its strong placement. 8. Continue placing the bricks until they reach 8 feet in height, then 3 angle irons are placed to stop drum at this particular height. 9. Finally, check the radius of the digester to remove fault if any and plaster it. 10. After the completion of digester, an inlet of 6 inches height and 2 by 2 feet area is made. 11. Right in front of the inlet, an outlet is formed by taking out a brick from the digester. 12. Next, fabricate a drum of 5 foot 6 inches diameter and 4 feet height with a steel sheet gauge of 14 or 16 and fix the nozzle, elbow, pipe and wall for supply of gas as per required. 13. The construction of biogas plant is complete. 14. Now add water and cow, buffalo dung in equal amounts for fermentation, and the gas will be ready in 20 to 25 days. 14. Biogas produced is then supplied to stoves through pipes. Biogas not only reduces carbon dioxide emission and deforestation, but it also keeps the kitchen clean. Biogas not only fulfills energy requirements of domestic users but is also used in agriculture and industries. It is used to run peter engine tubal for irrigation purpose. If we start using biogas in daily life routine, you will be able to save natural resources, and it will also be a treasure for future